Hi, Michael Cohn from EXO AutoWorks. Thank you for taking the time in order to meet with me today. I know this isn't our normal meet and greet, but I thought it would be better in order to introduce ourselves. We're a small independent repair shop here located in downtown Colorado Springs, and we are looking to help our fleet customers expand their business by keeping their cars on the road. So if you manage a fleet of vehicles in order to keep your business running, we would like to help you keep them on the road running safely for your employees. We offer special pricing for our fleet accounts. We try to do same day turnaround depending on parts. As you know, as a business, those are kind of hard to come by right now. We do our best though with multiple vendors in order to get those parts same day and get you back out on the road. We understand how important it is to keep your cars out there, because if they're not out there, you're not making money. And why have an operating business if you're not profitable? Our facility is 6,000 square feet, and we have trained technicians on site making sure that your vehicles are diagnosed and repaired with a confidence that you can trust. So please take the time, look over our website, our customer reviews. We would love to answer any questions that you may have, and give us a call so we could get you set up today.